the chief host, being the chairman of council, Dr. Chidi Lloyd, and the member of assembly, Justin Emeji, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, let me on behalf of my wife and my family and my friends congratulate Newele Emohwa Olo the Fourth, Sergeant Chidi Awuse and his family for the celebration of his 71st birthday, not 71st day, 71st years on Mother Earth. It is not an easy thing. To be 71 years, then you know that God has been with you. And again, as the Chancellor of the Ladoke University, and again, as the Chairman of River State Traditional Rulers Council, it is worthy of celebration. Within 1 year, God has made you to accomplish all this. On her silent, I will say, when I was coming, you were with me yesterday. You brought what I should wear. I saw her. I'm not going to wear anything. Today again, you brought something I should wear. I saw her. As when I was the governor, I'm tired of wearing and wearing and wearing and wearing and wearing. What's important is that wholeheartedly I accept the induction of my being on her in Emewa. Why am I accepting it? You have been a man of principle. I said this. You are the one who opened the gate. The popularity of Ikwere people vying for governorship of this state. We are just beneficiaries of the gate you opened. And I'm happy you saw my governorship as your own governorship. And you stood by me all through from 2015 to 2023. You have never one day wavered. Yes, you can be angry. I'm the only one who can checkmate your anger. At least I have that blessing to checkmate your anger. You're a man, when he says something, you stand by it. You have never. And so when you told me this, I said, oh, I will accept it. I will come. And I thank you for bringing me as Oha of Emohwa. But you said all the privileges. You didn't mention one of the privileges. I hope one of the privileges has been inducted into Oha of Emohwa. You have to give me my own land. So it's not that I'm just Oha Bamatu. So you must tell me the privileges. And I know, as a pure Ikwere person, the Ikwere tradition, who are following the name way, we're entitled to some piece of land. So before I leave here, you will show me my own hectares of land. So that, as in Noha, I will start farming. No more unmaker. Oh, no unmaker. Unmaker. And I was angry. So I'm happy that since we don't have land again, where we come from, I'm moving now to stay here and join you to perform those traditional rites where you are the one that say, I have all the privileges. So I hope too, when the time to be Olo the fifth, you allow me to be Olo the fifth. So, sincerely, I want to commend you. People should emulate you. The young ones should emulate you. There's nothing in life and being consistent. That people must know whom you are. People must go home and sleep that this is this man. It's not good to live a life that people will be wondering. Will he go right? Or he will go left? Will he go front? Or he will come back? Or he will stay at the center? Or I will say it's known that when he takes a decision, you will know where he stands. And that's what is called a man of character. And we don't have the many politicians from Omeba whom I have related with. Like people like my former chief of staff, Chidila, Paul Ward, all of them. They have been so consistent in what we are doing. You are happy, and you should thank God that since I left office, apart from my local government, you are the next to, I don't know why you should do that, but as chairman of the Traditional Rulers Council, you have every right. But again, what's important that honoring the governor of the state, you are the first local government, you are the first community that has honored the governor of the chieftaincy title. Of course, let the truth be told, you are one of those during the process of selection that stood firm that the governor should be the one that flying a flag as a party. Osi Yokocha was there. He knows what I'm talking about. Fede Alabrava was there. He knows what I'm talking about. And when we accepted your the deputy governor, forget this one now, people are claiming. Deputy governor, nobody. I know who recommended you. I know who recommended you. After God, go and thank the person. Forget people who are parading themselves now as if they are the ones who brought you. It's not correct. It is not correct. I have to tell you the simple truth. The truth is bitter, but you must say it. If you say it, you will die. If you don't say it, you will die. So why not say it? I can tell you, even when you say you will not die, nothing will happen. So I thank you, and I thank your wife. It is not easy to marry a man like her Senator Tawusi. I can tell you, it's not easy. I thank your wife. Very humble, very amiable, very calm to meet with a hot man. It is not easy. Umwereze, thank you. And continue to be whom you are. And thank your children who also have shown, departed for you a bit. They all come, you are not come. Yeah, one. Well, we thank God about your way again. We thank God, you are very calm children, very intelligent children, very humble children. And that's why if you thank God per second, you didn't make any mistake. God has been very, very kind to you, and you must continue to thank Him. I know when this chieftaincy issue came up, I said, if it's the will of God that you will know the fort, that not anybody can stop. If it's not the will of God, there's nothing you can do. But thank God that God said, it is your time. And today, you will know the fort. We give God all the thanks. And also thank the governor for agreeing for your community to be the first to receive him. It's not everybody that will accept it. Some people would have said, look, let me wait for my own community first, then others can follow.